What's up, everybody? Welcome to this episode, edition, whatever. I just got off work. We finna bang chain gang. We have Chicken Express. I'm sure they're in other places than Why you jack up my thumbnail?
Yeah, you don't need a thumbnail. Hey, look, you can take a picture. Don't do that again. Do that again.
I'm doing a video.
I can take a picture too.
No, you can't.
It's put it up there. There you go. You got a picture now.
That better work.
It did.
Anyway, what kind of show the people, boy? Get out of there.
I'm sorry. I love Chicken Express rolls. And they sweet tea.
We got some gravy.
Bring my gravy. I got 2 extra rolls.
Look at this jalapeno ranch.
We got 10 rolls.
My homeboy hooked me up right over there, 2 blocks down, 2 doors down.
Hey, y'all.
Who like gizzards?
Hold
Any
on.
of y'all eat chicken gizzards? Used to be some poor folk food, y'all, but now it's kind of expensive. What you got, man?
Y'all won't believe what I just did.
Look at these nice, juicy rolls. He said we got like 10 of them.
8 and 10.
What you got, little Finley?
Supposed to be 7 pieces, but it look like more than 7 pieces.
Put it on up there and let these people see
Ain't
it.
so.
Look at all that boy got. Business courtesy, man.
But y'all, I walked through the drive-through of Chicken Express. They didn't tell me, they didn't kick me out the drive-through.
Oh, they didn't kick you out, man. You say you big Finley son.
So, if y'all want to see me walk to the drive-through and record it and order some food, leave a like.
Ew, shit.
You got
root beer.
And I didn't even mix it up.
I did it myself.
Leave a like, subscribe to his channel and mine, and leave a comment, say drive-through.
So you can get this hot content.
Because y'all, I was laughing my butt off. I'm like, these people gonna kick me out.
Anyway, y'all, like, share, comment, subscribe. We get all that out of the way. If you like the content, welcome to the Muckbang. Welcome to the Muckbang.
Bring that cup holder.
Damn, boy, you always jack on my bang. Welcome to the Muckbang. Bang. Look at little Finley, he doing his thing. He ain't got no chicken wing. He got chicken scripts. I got chicken gizzards. We're not finna start eating and munching and crunching on no lizards. Got my debate card. Hot diggity dog.
You know funny? Let me show you
Ain't nothing funny. We putting this up.
Look. No.
Ain't nobody hacking my card now.
Nobody can, look.
Dude, just leave it alone,
Okay.
man. We doing a video. Damn. Now,
Nobody.
see, I done had some Brahms and all this and going in my head, and you ain't doing
Go chicken, bang, chicken, wang.
Bark.
Rolls.
Chicken gizzards. Bark.
Hey,
Chicken gizzards. Bark.
hey.
Chicken gizzards.
You're my role model.
I'm a role model. You.
That's corny. You know what's cornier than that corny joke? Some corn.
All right, y'all.
I'm cracking myself up. We got some Dijon honey mustard, some spicy jalapeno ranch. Poppy want me to get that.
Man, I'm about to get me a bigger phone, so.
Hold on, where's your mukbang tray?
I don't know where my mukbang tray is.
Mukbang tray. Hold on, it's right here somewhere.
We gotta
I
clean
saw
the
it.
truck out again.
I saw it just yesterday. Mukbang tray.
Chicken gizzard.
Yeah, mukbang tray.
Jalapeno ranch.
Mukbang tray missing. That mukbang tray? No, that ain't mukbang tray. Mukbang tray. Hold on. Hold it.
I'm so sorry I didn't give y'all a bite.
Hold on.
That's how I'm feeling them. You peel this bread off. That's what a chicken gizzard look like.
Mukbang tray. Mukbang tray. Mukbang tray.
Bang!
Mukbang tray.
For those of y'all don't know what a chicken gizzard is, that's the part that grinds up the food for the chicken.
If y'all don't know what a chicken tender is, that's a chicken tender.
Chicken strip.
Strip. They call them tenders.
Is it tender? Put this right here. Let me go on up one more time. One more again. There we go. I can put it right here.
Right here?
You can see my food.
No, you can't.
Well, it's in the box. I can talk to him.
Dude, look how cold this is. It's so cold. Look, I can do that.
Why aren't we dropping it in my truck? I think we're gonna go hunting here in a little bit, y'all. It's 53 degrees in Texas.
And luckily, Fox will get me a jumpsuit. I be wearing that jumpsuit, you be wearing that jacket. Thanks to Uncle Kevin. I said thanks to Uncle Kevin gave me this a year ago.
Did you?
It was big on me when he gave it to me.
Yeah, you been growing.
I've grown in it.
Just jalapeno red.
Is it actually spicy?
A little bit, not much. It's called Ken's.
That's what this honey Dijon mustard is.
Jalapeno ranch, boy, it is litty lit, y'all.
The only mustard I eat is honey mustard. Honey mustard and mustard got two different flavors. I don't like yellow mustard.
Bro, what's the matter with you? You talking?
Because I'm happy. I got 6 requests. And I got 4 more rolls up there.
How the hell I know the guy? I asked for an extra roll. I get 2 of them.
Next for
You got like 8 or 9 of them over there. Y'all see, I paid for all them. I know the dude over there give me a lot of extra rolls.
Yeah,
They take an act of Congress. He probably ate 3 or 4 of them on the way here.
No. I didn't even know they were in there until now.
I like to dip these rolls in that gravy. Y'all didn't give y'all no bite. We 7.5 minutes in and didn't get no bite.
Got gummy already, 7.5 minutes. We gotta get a bite too, by God, Martha.
Hey, little jalapeno ranch. There you go. Bam!
So, are y'all done chewing? Think y'all done chewing? Ba-bang.
Bang, bang.
I usually do this. Take this bad boy, put a hole in it. Take some chicken, rip the chicken apart, shove it in the hole, maybe a little bit more chicken. Is this a spoon?
Boy, what's that white stuff on your lip?
It's gravy, Dad.
The gravy?
Take some gravy, drizzle some gravy on there.
Boy, wipe that off, because I can't look at you with all that white stuff on your face.
You're
not
dirty.
dripping it everywhere. Bang, bang! Everybody on YouTube don't see that now.
No.
They gonna be calling me.
That will look like when it's done, usually.
Got it on your front. Boy, you little... He a Mongolian. Look at that damn Mongolian. He eat all my rolls. You're Mongolian? Give me back my rolls. Don't you choke a puke or throw up on me. Yeah, I got more than 9 gizzards.
You think? Dude, when I walked up to that window, I looked at the door there and the windows after that door. I saw that fast food expressions. They're like, this, you know, scratching their heads. They're like, crap, they ain't gonna give me the food.
Was that story time?
Then I got a free chicken express cup. They don't have no cup holders. So you gotta innovate one yourself.
That's why country boys will always survive.
Heck, I was in there too. I could take a drink out of it. No hands.
Alright, y'all. I ain't gonna eat all this, but I'm probably just about done. Damn, boy. Look at, he got all that over there and will come jack with me again. I didn't even shout nobody out. And then throw the shit back on my plate.
Half of it.
Why don't you just keep it all?
Because I want to.
I do shout out. I can't think.
Finley River Kennels Jr.
Y'all go subscribe to Finley River Kennels Jr.
Unsubscribe from Foster Creek Kennels.
Well, shut up.
No, go subscribe. Valley Cocoa. Mid Porcelain World. Cafe Gaming.
Alright, y'all. My big butt
Bananas.
is done. I gotta go to the woods. Boo! Come here in the camera. You did a joke last time. What is that?
I don't know, heart potion.
It's a starving brain sucker. It's still starving. Alright, y'all. We out of here. Thank you.
No. Bananas.